Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I gonna to tell food, fruits, vegetable, shapes, color and parts of body. So let's start. Fruit: alfawaka, apple, tufaha, banana, mauza, grapes, inab, strawberry, farawila, orange, Portugal, kiwi, pomegranate, rumman, dates, tamar, peach, vegetables, al-hadrawat, potato, batata, capsicum, filfil, carrot, gajar, tomato, cucumber, khiyar, Chinese cabbage, khas, lemon, shapes, al-ascol, circle, daira, square, murabba, triangle, musallas, red triangle, mustatil, color, al-alwan, red, ahmar, yellow, asfar, green, akhdar, blue, azraq, black, aswad, white, abiyad, orange, portocala, brown, binni. Now, last, parts of body. Al-jism, head, ras, mouth, thumb, hand, yad, eyes, aina, foot, qadm, nose, anf, yar, uzun, arms, zero, here, shar, leg, sock. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.